Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your TikTok account using your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tiktok.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official TikTok website. Now from the home page, you will immediately be taken into the login portal from which you can log into your account right away. Now if you created your account using your phone number, your email address or your username, click on the appropriate options. Or you can click on continue with Facebook, Google or your Twitter account and also your Apple account. If you created your account using these, simply click on whichever option you used and you might be asked to enter your phone number or your email address. You can type in whichever option you want to choose and after entering your email address or your username or your phone number, just type in your account password. Once you type both of these credentials, click on the login button and you will immediately be logged into your account on TikTok. And once you're logged in, you can immediately start to use the TikTok platform right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your TikTok account on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.